was gifted this VEVOR 8-quart stock pot. Now, this stock pot is made of the 304 stainless steel. It also has a layer of a dual aluminum core, which is going to allow even heating. After utilizing this, I will say that it cooks very evenly. You're not getting anything burnt at the bottom of your stock pot. It cooks very nicely. It was super easy just to clean it right out. Also, after boiling my shrimp down, the lid here did become very hot to the touch. However, the top did not. So I could just pull this top off very easily. No mitts needed. It stayed cool for me. So even though the lid was hot to touch, if I was to put it in cold water, it isn't going to shatter. It is tempered glass, so the difference in the temperatures are not going to harm it. So if you're looking for a stock pot that is made of quality, here you go.